What's the meaning of clattering? Clattering. Clattering.
Clattering. Clattering. Clattering is an onomatopoeic word that describes a loud, continuous, and repetitive noise that is often created by hard objects hitting each other. The sound can be sharp and chaotic, creating a sense of disorder and commotion. When objects clatter, they can create a metallic or wooden resonance depending on their composition. This noise can be produced by various activities such as marching with heavy boots, dropping utensils, or spinning machinery. The result can be disruptive and unsettling to people around, causing discomfort, distraction, and annoyance.